So how exactly does Wealthy Affiliate work, and what's the platform like, and what's the education like? So Wealthy Affiliate is a pure affiliate marketing training program. They also have lots of tools to help you. And so they have four pillars here, these four core things that they teach you. First, they're going to teach you how to find a niche, so some sort of topic that you want to create content around for your blog. Then they're going to teach you, and actually, they have tools to help you launch your website in literally seconds. So you can actually get a website up and running really quickly. Then you're going to learn how to write content that gets that gets traffic and that gets views and clicks. And finally, the most important part, you're going to learn how to turn those clicks into cash using mostly affiliate marketing. So maybe you have a blog like CNET where you want to write about different types of headphones, you want to post reviews. And so in the reviews, you want to include the links to the headphones that you're talking about. And so maybe someone decides to buy this one on Amazon. They click the link and it takes them straight to the Amazon's page. And this is an affiliate link. So if I actually bought something here, the owner would earn a commission. That is essentially what Wealthy Affiliate is teaching you. They're teaching you how to find some sort of niche. So what type of content you want to create, whether you want to talk about headphones or bikes or courses or finance, whatever you want. They're not just teaching you one specific thing, they're teaching you the core fundamental skills that you can apply no matter what topic you're interested in. A lot of programs out there are just, they're teaching you, they talk about affiliate marketing, and then once you actually sign up, all they're doing is teaching you how to promote their course or their platform as an affiliate. That is not what Wealthy Affiliate does. They do have their own affiliate program, but they're not actually teaching you just how to promote their course. They're actually teaching you a lot of real skills that you can use no matter what your niche is. And so if you sign up here, which I did, I have a premium subscription. This is what it looks like. Not only do they have training and websites and classes, they also have a ton of tools that they built in-house that you can use to help you get started much, much faster. Now, if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, there's no credit card required. You can use the link in the description below. Now, maybe you're wondering, how long has Wealthy Affiliate actually been around? Is it a new platform? Is it some new hype thing that just started a year ago? Or is it old? Well, I'm going to tell you all about that in this video right here on your screen.